up.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undenying, undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lack and everlasting ego. I guess it never hit you. Our conversation takes two, paying it some interest from.
Sorry about the noise you're hearing, because today is Eid Mubarak, so I feel like there might be people in the supermarket. I might not be able to talk as much. You guys, get me a house in fucking IVI so we don't have to be doing all of that. Okay, thank you. Anyways, so yeah, so I'm gonna write a list of everything
Inside all that greatness and all of your adventures, you're all alone.
So yeah, let's go have fun. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the mall.
Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you.
Hey guys, happy Friday. But I wanted to film this like when I got back from work, but they took the light. Like my phone was charging and they took the light, and yeah. But I bought a few things. Let's get into it. Okay, so the first thing that I have here is this Nivea. Let me see. It has a very fresh scent. You guys, why is this enough for Nivea? And next up, I have this tea tree cleanser. You guys, want to tell you that this thing is one of the best things for my skin. Like, I've been breaking out so much. It's like inexpensive. It's so inexpensive. I'll be doing a separate video giving you guys more details on my products as I move forward, so you guys should keep an eye. I don't know what I'm going to call this video yet, but it's a video and it's coming. Okay. So the next thing I got was this argan oil. So this is a night repair serum with Moroccan argan oil extract. And I also got this Nivea chapstick. I've wanted one of them for a while, so I got this one. Then I wanted to get a cleanser, right, like a micellar water. Tell me why I was shopping and then I saw Soulmate has a micellar water. Yo, when I saw it, I just picked it up because I'm so curious. Like, I've always known Soulmates to do like hair stuff you get, but I feel like this is very interesting, so I'm excited to try it and I'll let you guys know how I like it. Radiance Face and Body Scrub. So this is the brand and this is how it looks. Okay, so the next thing I got was this Boots Cucumber Whitening Cleanser and Toner. Now I know it says whitening, but the description says that it's just to increase the appearance of blemishes and spots, because I have a lot of those and it's for all skin types, so hopefully this works wonders for my skin. Then I got an oldie but goodie. I got this clay mask. Honestly, there were so many clay masks there, but I don't know, I just find myself always reaching for this one, so yeah, I got it. How can I forget? It was only natural. So I picked up this Nivea Nourishing Cocoa Butter. Well, I got this pack of pad of head. Then that's it for the hygiene products. So I got some cleaning products as well. And then I purchased this candle. First of all, was I played? Abso-freaking-lutely. Like, what is this? Well, okay, so basically the purple one is a kiwi lotusy chow. Is this English? Oh my god, it's not English. They're trying to set me up. They're trying to set me up, I swear. But the purple one is a lotus flower scent, the yellow one is a water iris, and the green is a Casablanca lily. But you guys, let me tell you, this thing smells like, it's like I just want to all the time. I don't know what I have a client tomorrow. Today, what am I saying, bro? I have a client today to get her makeup done on the island. It's in Ikoyi, and I haven't washed my makeup brushes. Like, I haven't even prepped nothing. I haven't done anything. I was hoping to do that earlier, but NEPA decided to show themselves. So yeah, so I'm like debating, like, do I wash the brushes now and then pack later, because I don't have to be there till like 10, and since it's on the island I plan to leave early, like 10-11, because the event is by 12 and she does not mind going late. So yeah, so it's like, well, I'm so like, I was even having a headache. The plan was to just watch a few more videos on my phone and go to bed, and then the bright light, I'm like, might as well just get this out of the way. Oh my god, so I watched Blood Sisters on Netflix. Oh yo, I strongly recommend the movie, like 100%. Like, please watch it. It just had a lot to teach and it passes a really good message, which I'm here for. And plus, my faves, Nancy and Amy. Like, I've been watching Amy for a while, but when I tell you that Amy Dima came through in this movie, oh my god, like, she literally had me feeling the pain of her character, which was incredible. The movie was so good though. So yeah, I really recommend the movie. I don't know yet, honestly. I want to wash my brushes. I need to wash my brushes. I'm going to share with you guys a hack that I learned from Kayoms. She's a South African YouTuber. Ciao, I'm going to make a video. I said this in my I'm sure I literally said this in my last vlog. I'm going to make a video of my favorite YouTubers. Like, I learned something from all of them, I swear. But anyways, she shared a like a hack for washing brushes, which I think was brilliant. So I'm going to be trying that out today. And I'm going to show you guys, you know, all the ingredients you need and how to do it and all of that. So yeah. You guys, it's been so cold today. Like, it rained. Bro, crazy stuff, man. I'm so cold. But anyways, let's get down to business. Yeah, okay, that's fine. Okay, so basically I have my washing liquid. You should also get bleach. You should get your thing of water. So if you have all this makeup brush mats, that would be nice, but I don't. But I have this thing that I use to exfoliate my face, which literally, like you see, literally has like the same texture, should I say, as like all this makeup brush mats. So that's why I never can bother getting one. So this is what this bad boy looks like. I just got like an old t-shirt to keep these things on because I don't want the things to get stained. But this is what the brushes look like. Crusty. Well, I'm going to start getting ready now, like arranging my bag and stuff like that.